What's up, YouTube? I'm bringing you the boat I have been working on here. This used to be the king of shaves, but now I have to make another name for it because I painted it a whole different color. If you want to see how this boat looked before this, I got another video that's out. Go back and find it and check it out, and to show you how she looked before this. Did all the fiberglassing, body work on her, brought her back to life. New paint job, and this was the hardest part here, was the rudder. Oh man, was that a hard part to find. So after finding the right parts, finally I put something together here. And this is the rudder with the dual push rods in it. So everything is new rod. I had to cut a piece to slip over the pin so the rudder won't be moving up and down. I also ordered this here, which is a Fly Sky GT3B transmitter, 3-channel, pretty nice car boat model, pretty nice, digital. We'll get back to that. All right, unboxing her. We got the motor. This is what I've been working on here with the rudder system. Servo with the double pulley rod. I got my other servo just came in yesterday. This is for the throttle, which I'm also waiting on the throttle system to come in. So you know. Yes, I am. I have this is part of the throttle system here. This is part of it. Oh yeah, kind of hard to do that holding the camera, but yes, that's part of it. I just got pieces laying in here because I've been working, you know. Check out, I got some decals for her. Nice decals here. Got some nice decals for her. I got a few more. I got a few more here. These are the decals. So, yes, she's coming alive. Like I said, I rebuilt the motor. I had to rebuild the carburetor here. I got a new waterproof box for the servos and the receiver. And this also came with the this transmitter also came with the 3-channel receiver, which was pretty nice. For $33, you can't beat it. I'm gonna have that link set up in the box. Let's see if I can position the camera here where you guys can see. Here. We just about to hook her up and give her a quick go. Alright. Channel 1. It's this one. Throttle we got on channel 2. Channel 2 is the throttle. And also we have put a switch in here. make sure you hook this up right. Make sure the red to the red and the black is to the black, because you'll fry your receiver quickly. Okay. We hit the switch here. Transmitter on. See there? Hitting it. Wait a minute. We got to. Hold on 1 second here. Alright. Let's try. That's the throttle. Rudder. Let's go back here and let's check it out. How the rudder is moving. Yeah, that's right. So my next step here, and I got the switch to cut it off, which is sweet. So my next step is I got to drill out, because then the waterproof box doesn't come with no holes in it, so I had to drill out the holes and put these rubber grommets in there for waterproofing. I got to drill out a hole here, line it up for my throttle system, and once I get that completed, we are going to be almost in the game. I can just start hooking up everything, putting it back together. Okay, I also ordered here a kill switch. This is the kill switch here. So I also ordered a kill switch. And this transmitter here has a fail safe inside of it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can make it some way where I can kill the motor also. That's gonna be very nice. But yeah, she's almost ready. She's almost ready. I haven't still named her yet, so if any one of y'all can think of a good name, I would name her. So if you think of a good name for her, leave it in the comment box below, and I would name her. That's a good idea. I need some help with the name, so if you guys can come up with a name, I would name her. Oh yes, I also had to work on my prop system. I got a new prop, but it was kind of big, so I had a piece to slide onto here. It's like a reducer. It'll fit this tight, so I won't have no play in it, but it'll fit this tight, plus fit my prop tight. Let me set the camera down here for a second. See if you guys can see it. Okay. Yes, so it also fit my prop tight. No, there's no play in there no more, none. Put my lock nut on the back. But this is the prop system here. I've been working on that too, so I got that down. So everything is gonna be good. Everything is gonna be good. It's coming along pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm trying to get a close up here and let y'all see the paint job that's on her. She's looking nice. That's the paint job that's on her, you guys. Nice. I'm really liking it. I'm really liking it. This is the gas tank. So the next step, like I said, is I got to drill a hole in here to line up for the servo for the throttle system. And I got to drill holes in this to secure it where it won't be flopping and moving up and down and the servo's pulling it, because that's a lot of tension. So I got to secure that. I got my throttle system coming still, and then I ordered some brand new hoses. Like I said, this is the muffler here that goes on. Let me see if y'all guys can see. Yeah, that's the muffler tune pipe, as they call it. Yeah, she gonna be a beauty, a real beauty. Okay, well, this was another update on the new name, you guys' name. Put in the comment below, and I will choose a name. But yeah, I will be updating pretty soon, because the throttle system should be here, I believe, sometime this week. So we'll be putting the throttle system on her, tightening down everything, bolting everything down, putting it together real nice, and then we're gonna give her a cranking upper. How does that sound? Yes, we're gonna crank the beast. She's been asleep for almost 6 years. Not anymore. Not anymore. But yeah, that's the update on her. And I also got some crowd locks too. I also got some crowd locks coming in, chrome crowd locks, which I got one here, but I ordered 4. So what I plan on doing is drilling a couple holes here, and on the other side there, drilling a couple holes. I already got them for here and here for the crowd locks. So what I plan on doing is drilling a few holes on the top. So I'm gonna have 4 sets of crowd locks, super tight, and resealing that some kind of way too. Up underneath, when it snugs down, it's gonna be snug. It's gonna be snug. So okay, you guys, if you're just not joining my channel, make sure you hit that like, and make sure you hit that subscribe. I really appreciate it. And this is Skipper Drones, and I'm out.